the sun's melted the ice, so the water's melted, and then the sun's moved, and then it's refrozen here, and it's harder because of it. Yeah? Iced up windscreens are, of course, quite a problem at this time of year, and you may well have heard the advice of never tipping hot water onto your windscreen because it could crack. But I've tried this before and it didn't happen. So what happens if you try this with a windscreen that's already cracked? I think we should find this out. In front of us we have a long dead Rover 216 that has a crack in the windscreen just like that. That windscreen, that makes this windscreen completely unsaleable, even if I could get it out. But should we do an experiment? Will that crack and the ice make this really, really vulnerable? Exciting. Whoa! It did it. It actually did it. Look at that. It works. That's how you break your windscreen, provided you've already got a crack on it. That's some genuine consumer advice from me.